The Narpo Border Area Joint Action Committee has petitioned the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday with a demand to create a new C&Rd block at Lumshnong as the people are facing hardships in terms of getting basic facilities. The committee said that people of Narpo area wanted C&Rd block at Lumshnong as this will bring administration closer to the people. Briefing media persons Kinjamon Amse, Assistant Headman of Umkyang, said that the creation of the C&Rd block will benefit the people of many villages in the area.
The politics, or it's not about the election coming. However, it's because of the demand of the public which have been made for the past few years. And as have been said earlier, on the 26th November, not only they will put the foundation stone, they'll directly open an office, including the video and all the official, which will start functioning from the next working day itself. And as requested, Lumshnong, Lumshnong and the JAC are happily willing to give a plot of land for the permanent office for the future use. And